And we've got that lovely flame. So that, to me, is perfect. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Hey, you're working in the kitchen or you're at home, an order comes in or you want to make a green peppercorn sauce. Easy this, guys. Let's show you how they make a really quick green peppercorn sauce in a restaurant. It's so easy, so quick, you can make this at home. Let's show you how. Come on. Okay guys, I must have made this about 1,000 times more over the years, you know. It's so simple to make. Now, in the kitchens, you know, we normally use a bulk brown sauce, powdered mix, a gravy mix or something like that. We don't have time to actually boil it all down and everything else. We just knock up a gravy mix, a brown sauce mix from a demi-glaze pack or a pack of brown sauce like this. Don't be fooled. Right, off we go then. Flame on. A little bit of oil in our pan. Now, we only want a little bit of oil and we want a chunk of butter. Now, with all my recipes, guys, you know, we make a sauce, we use butter. Give it a whiz round in there. Now, you don't have to go bananas as usual, you know, not too hot. In with our onion. So we've got some chopped onion. Now, it's only probably 2 tablespoons or a tablespoon and a half of really fine chopped onion. Now, I'm using red onion, but you can use any onion, don't worry about it. Okay, and then we've got possibly about a teaspoon of chopped garlic, finely minced garlic. Now, you can mince it with a garlic press, but this has been done with a knife, you know. I've just whizzed it over with a knife. Now, all we're going to do is we're going to stir this round in here. Looks like a lot of butter, doesn't it? But we're making a sauce. Stir it round nice and gently. Now, we're not really looking for colour, we're looking for these to go translucent. I'm not adding any salt to this whatsoever, but I'm going to go in with a pinch of pepper, and that's going to give us that pepper flavour through our peppercorn sauce. The reason for not using any salt, this gravy mix, if you taste it, salty, so we don't need to add salt. Right, and what I've got here, I've got green peppercorns, okay, and what I've done, I've pulled the peppercorns off and we're going to go in there with some green peppercorns. Give them a bit of a stir around. Now we're going to give them a little bit of a cooking in there. They're going to release a little bit of that peppercorn flavour. Now, you know, if you can't get fresh green peppercorns, you can get peppercorns in brine. But what you don't want to be doing is using the black peppercorns, because it's going to be as spicy as heck and not very nice. So give that a little whiz round in there. Now this all comes together very quickly, guys, you know. Now you're working in a kitchen, in a restaurant, you know, you want that peppercorn sauce made. You might not be able to cook the peppercorn sauce in the pan that steak's been cooked in, or chicken or pork or whatever. You know, that might be done on a different station, and someone say, oh, we want a peppercorn sauce. This is how you do it. Some cognac or brandy, a little bit in there. Now what you need to do is tilt the pan. And we've got that lovely flame. Now, there's absolutely no need for this actually, guys. You know, all we're trying to do is cook off the alcohol, and that's cooked off the alcohol straight away. Now, like I say, there is absolutely no need to do that. It just looks good in the kitchen. And then we've got about a tablespoon of our powdered mix in a cup of water, boiling water. So that's giving our gravy type sauce in there. Stir it in, let it come back up to a simmering boil, and then we'll add in some cream. This smells fantastic, guys. You can actually smell the brandy coming out of here. The thing is with working in the kitchens, you know, and using something like this, you know, it thickens up. It thickens up. It's got corn flour and everything in it, you know. So it thickens up naturally because it's a gravy. It's a quick professional gravy mix. So this is starting to thicken already. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with a couple of peppercorns still on the stalks, and that's just for a bit of show really, you know. If they fall off there and overcook, that's fine. Some will, some won't. So there we go, look, start to thicken up. Turn it down a little bit. In with a bit more butter. Stir that in. Oh, fantastic. And then we're in with a little bit of cream. Now you're in control of your cream, guys, you know. The more cream you put in there, the lighter brown it's going to be. And then here's a little secret tip, guys. Worcester sauce. Just a dobbing of Worcester sauce in there. Stir it round. And that gives that really nice full flavour in there. Now you just need to thicken this. Reduce it, thicken it as much as you want. But that is sauce made. Now the thing is, with the sauce you can cook it to as thick as you want, but that to me is thick enough. If you look at that, it just sort of like holds together but still runny enough to pour over your sauce. Now if you were having steak and chips or steak and mashed potato or anything like that, you want a bit of runniness, you know. So that to me is perfect. So turn off and that's ready for service. So what you got to imagine, guys, I mean, this is absolutely perfect. Perfect pepper sauce. You've got to imagine spooning that over your steak. Oh! Okay guys, what does it taste like? It tastes absolutely amazing. That is one superb peppercorn sauce made. Guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. And we'll catch you in the next video. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm.